Hi guys, it's me again. This is my newest upload, and it's going to be all about this new little baby lips one lip balm I bought early one today. So I'm just gonna, as you know, I got this one before, and it's this one's the Pink Punch one, and it's smelly, and it's really good, but I wouldn't say it keeps moisture locked in as possible, and where this one's up to 8 hours moisture. I'm just gonna cut through. Quite stupid to get into these actually. There we go. Here we go. Right, so this is a hydrate one, which I thought I had a choice between the yellow one, which I can't remember what it is, and this one, and I thought I'll go for the hydrate. Another thing about this is very soft. Has a slight smell to it. It's very, not very pigmented. It's tinted. Got a nice shine to it. That is really nice. I'm really happy I got that moisturised. So now I've got two of the baby lips that all of you guys recommended to say that they're really good. So I thought I'd get them, and this one was £2.98 in Boots, and this one was in Superdrug. This was £2.99 in Superdrug, so these ones are 1p more, which I don't think matters much, but I love those two, and they're going straight in my makeup bag. I've got a lot of cheap deals today. So, thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe, obviously. I will return all subscriptions, and I will like your most recentest video on your channel. The link to my next video will appear in the comments along with your guys' comments, obviously. Thanks again, bye, and I recommend this one and the other one. I think the rest are a bit thingy, because these were the ones that everyone said get the most, so I thought, right, I'll just go and get them. but I'm definitely going to be adding to my collection. I'm going to buy them all, but I'm probably going to buy one by one so the videos don't take forever to upload to YouTube because I know some videos